Hello everyone! Welcome to Easy Peasy Art. Today, get ready for a whimsical drawing session because we're making a gingerbread latte masterpiece. It's the perfect blend of cozy and quirky for those chilly winter evenings. So let's dive right in and spice up our artistic adventure. First things first, we're kicking off with the iconic Santa hat. Make it extra cozy by adding a fluffy fur layer, because why not? Now, on to our adorable gingerbread man. Give him two cute, round eyes and a warm smile. His arms are wide open, ready to welcome you for a fun and cozy sip of our latte. Don't forget a little bow on his neck for that extra charm. Next, let's create a whipped cream wonderland around our gingerbread man. Imagine he's jumped out of the latte to wave a big hello. Spice things up with a cinnamon chocolate stick for flavor enhancement. To finish it all off, draw a big mug with an even bigger heart in the middle, setting the stage for our drawing perfection. But wait, there's more. Add a star anise around the bottom and a few more delightful splashes around our gingerbread man to complete the scene. Now, it's time to bring our drawing to life with a burst of color. If you're loving this creative journey, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more artistic adventures, and I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers to drawing and spreading joy.